Okay, so now that we have the barricade unloaded and all that stuff, I want to work on fixing a bug with our footsteps. So currently, if I walk around, actually let me turn this up a bit in OBS. So you can see it, well, here, hopefully some footsteps. Now when I come out here onto the landscape, there is no audio. So the reason for that is me just being stupid. So I didn't know this, but thankfully a friend helped me out. So if I select the landscape itself, and initially I put it here in the material. So we just put, the concrete walking sound. Apparently, if we go to the landscape tab, go to paint, we have, here's our layer info. We need to apply it to the layer info. So our entire thing is basically one layer, so we don't really have to worry about it. But we want to go ahead and open up our mud cracked layer info and set the material in there instead. So I'm going to go to that and paste it in. So now our layer info has our fizz mat for the concrete. So now when I press play, where am I at? You can hear we now have sounds coming from the actual landscape. So that's what I wanted to go ahead and just get out of the way, because I'm going to be kind of like just doing any small little bugs that I can find. At least I have a small list that I want to go through to resolve, and that's one of them. So yeah, that's going to be all for this video. Very short one. I just wanted to get that out of the way because I want to be able to hear the zombies as they are approaching the window rather than them, just being dead silent. And yeah, that'll be all. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.